Hi, I'm Daniella. I'm a wig professional, an everyday wig wearer. I'm a salon owner. I have a salon in Texas called Wig Trend, and I am going to show you today on this tutorial how to bring back life to, say for instance, something that's maybe a little bit older, curly, you're having trouble controlling frizz. I am gonna demonstrate that on Hudson. This is a beautiful piece from René Paris. This is Pastel Blue R, and I'm also going to be using Revive. And if you're not familiar with this René Paris product, my goodness, you just have to have it in your arsenal. Revive is an amazing product from René Paris that helps you keep synthetic pieces looking fresh. It helps you control frizz, static, and if you have a piece that's a little bit older, you're gonna spray this on after you shampoo it, let it completely dry, and it brings back shine to the piece. When you get this out of the box, like a lot of people that have never worn a curly piece before panic a little bit because when you kind of shake the curls out or you start wearing it, it starts looking a little bit frizzy. That's the thing about curly hair, but this is such an amazing piece that I can teach you really quickly how to reform the pieces, the curls, to redefine the pattern. This is a lengthy process, so I'm just going to take a small section and show you how to do that. But it really does help you bring back Hudson to its original beauty. I'm going to take a small section and I'm going to pin it back. If you've never done this before, this could easily take more than an hour because you are taking tiny sections at a time. So here we have a section of frizz. I'm going to take my Revive and I'm going to stay about 12 inches, again Revive, I'm going to stay about 12 inches from my piece here. And I'm going to spray all the way to the ends. I'm going to gently run this through the piece. You can take smaller sections if you feel like this is just too much for you to work with. You don't necessarily have to shampoo it, but it would be best. When you're looking at a curl pattern, you have to look at the direction that the curl's flowing. And if you just looking at this, you can see that the direction is going towards you. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this little section of hair and you're going to start twisting it towards you. If it looks like it's going the other direction, you're going to twist in the opposite direction, and you're going to twist and twist, and I'm running my fingers as I'm moving. I'm running all the way to the end here. I'm twisting and twisting. You don't want to be taut and pull on the hair. You don't have to pull on it. As you can see, I'm just gently turning the hair, and then when you drop it, the frizz is gone. See there? So I'm going to do another section so you can see. Again, if you look at this, it's frizzy, and I want my frizz to be gone. So I'm going to demonstrate on this piece here. Taking my Revive about 12 inches away. And this is also great if you have a piece that you feel like on the ends, you want to keep the ends from frizzing. Even if you just wanted to do the base here, you can do the same thing, and you don't have to twist, of course, but you would want to spray it on the ends and let it completely dry. So I'm going to take this piece here, and again I'm just twisting, and I'm not pulling. I just want you to see that I'm not pulling the hair. I'm just twisting it in the direction that the curl pattern looks to have taken from the beginning, and then I drop it and the frizz is gone. There's frizz, no frizz. So as you can see, this definitely would be a process. You'd have to go, and if it's not the entire piece, then you just want to do the pieces that do look frizzy. You can see the difference just from looking at it here and here, how much difference it makes. I get a lot of questions about how to control a wave pattern, a curl pattern. Maybe you've had a wig that's a little bit older and it's just out of control, if you will. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to use Revive, and I'm going to set back in the soft waves here. And please keep in mind, I mean, a wig has a lifespan, and I just want to share that with you really quickly. Wigs are not designed to wear for years. I mean, and I say that respectfully because we do have people that come in and they've had a wig for over 6 months, which is the average lifespan, if you will, of a wig. If you've had it longer than 6 months, you're gonna start having trouble keeping the wig to look its very best. You're gonna have trouble with it keeping its style. It's not gonna look shiny anymore. You're gonna have trouble styling it. So please keep in mind that if you do have a wig that's older than 6 months, it may not be as easy to bring back. This is Ivana in Pastel Blue R. Amazing color. If you haven't tried this color and you want more information about this, please go to reneaparis.com. I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna take a small section. I'm gonna stay about 12 inches away. And on a piece like this, I'm just gonna spray the entire side here. And I'm gonna use a generous amount. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna finger comb. I definitely would just finger comb this instead of using any kind of brush or comb. And I'm gonna scrunch the curls. And this eliminates frizz. And it puts back shine, a luster, if you will, into the pieces. You don't want to overuse this product. And this is definitely something that you can use on something that you've worn. You don't necessarily have to shampoo it and then do this process. I would always recommend that you do remember to follow with this process when you do shampoo, if it's a curly style or a wavy style like this. And as you can see, the more you scrunch and the more the product dries, how much nicer this looks. And then you repeat the same application and scrunching pattern all the way around. But see how much nicer this looks? That being said, always remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please know that we have so many amazing tutorials coming up. And thank you for watching.